Hello, welcome back to Simplexy Code, and today we are going to do a very amazing work. How do we call this? We call it an extension. So VS Code is one of the very popular code editor, and a lot of people are using it. And the good thing is it comes with a lot of plugins or extension by the name they call it. So these extensions are built by different people across the globe, and the community of VS Code is so huge. So there is almost every kind of extension, not every kind. That's why we are going to make some more additional extension today, me and you, and starting from basics to make sure that we can see the journey itself, what it takes, and the like. So let's go. So our journey will start here, where we can see what to do for us to set our VS Code extension into our system. So we need to install a few things. First of all, we need to install the Yo, because Yo is the one that we are going to be using to create our extension, but also generator code, we need to install that. So after that, then we need to learn this Yo code to create the app or the extension, and from there the rest will be history. So let's open our VS Code. So our VS Code is now open, and now what we're going to do is to start making our app. So this is going to happen if you have managed to install all the instruction, mostly if you manage to do this only, because the next thing we are going to do together. So you install that. I didn't install that. Otherwise, you just copy that, you come here, you paste it there, and then you press enter. It takes some few minutes to install. After finishing installing, there's few things that we need to take care of. One of them is the issue of Node version to be required. That can be solved by NVM. So you need to make sure that you have installed NVM in your device. NVM use 2050. Great. So if I run this again, I'm gonna run the installation of generator code so that it can install all the packages, because I was using the old version of Node, which was not friendly to other your packages. So yeah, let's redo that. Good. So now we go to the creation of our extension. We use yo, then we say code, and I'll keep pressing enter. JavaScript. Now repository, we should say yes. We should choose npm, and is installing all the required things there. So this is very important, that we need to make sure that our extension is opened on its own windows. When I press enter, it's going to open new VS Code where I'll be able to do the rest of the work. So I'll close this one. Key two files that I should know about is the extension and the package. In extension, we don't use imports. I have seen this challenge a lot of time. We use require. So let's keep on the using require instead of the import from blah blah blah. After that, also we have this function. This is like the main function into whole extension, because this is the function that is used to activate your extension. And there's another function here which is to deactivate the extension, which is empty in this case. So our main task is to make sure that we get content from online to this particular extension. So let's do that. So first of all, we are going to install Node, not Node. We're going to install Axios. Why? We want that to be pulling data from online. npm install Axios. Okay, so we are going to use this API, which is going to be predicting the age based on the name. So somebody say their name and then you predict the age. So I will use my name as the initial for now, but we are going to find a way to put user input there. Let me use this one. So that is what will be toasted on the bottom. Let's try that. So your name is Ray, age might be 53. Okay, good. That's a good start. That's a very good start. So as long as that works, let's now put the code in order because this code is a little bit not ordered. So I will go and create a function. Check age detector. Good. With this, I think we have, first of all, one of the best things that we have created so far. So we have this here, but the main goal of this to be here is that we are going to get text from the editor. We get active text editor, then we check if that is the, nope. One of the things I will check is only the selected text. So I'll choose that. I'll go with that. I'll try that. And they say, Lucius, your possible age is 77. Let's see Amani. Amani is 45. Dennis is 58. So you can see it's now working. I'm selecting text and I can be able to send. So now we want to write to the editor whatever text that you have gained from online. The first thing I will do, I'll find the current position of the cursor. Good. So I have my end line. Now I want to write on this particular part so that I can conclude the writing. So remember, we are going to write what this guy has returned. So we are going to change here. Instead of this guy posting that, or he can post, it can be posted and it can be also written today. It's almost the same. Good. So we have the return there, which is going to be here, that editor dot edit. I promise I need to do the await here, because remember this is assigned await. And if I'm doing that, then I have assign part goes here. Yep, now we are good. So for name Daniela, your possible age is 48. That's good. Let's see Kevin. For name Kevin, your possible age is 55. First of all, we have managed to send data to the server, but also receive the data from the server and also show the data to the extension, either through the notification or direct writing the data into the editor. So thank you very much. Until next time, remember to share, subscribe, and comment.